trouble getting on this last time too. I was gonna try that way. Did you just touch your truck? You said to no touch there. Alright, fuck it. That was nice. Yeah, I don't have that wheelbase. You guys have that wheelbase. To me. Oh, it's close, but I didn't hit it though. Good stuff. Oops, hit the gauge full block. Oh, what's that? Just hit everything. Fucking ran over your hand. Hey, look at my driver. He's hanging out of the truck. You can't see. He's drunk. Fucking Woody Harrelson from Cheers. Yeah, I would have to glue it to his hand from the drive around with the beer mug out the window. What's your radio? Some radio, man. Coming down. It was back on. I didn't realize my finger was on the trigger bar. That's hard, Mike. You have to like power up on it. Yeah, I have to like jump up on it. The wheelbase, it's too long for our wheelbase.
But if you jump, it doesn't.
Yeah, you gotta, it's only tricky. What you got, Josh? See, they got the wheelbase. This touch line just try to make the line? Yeah. How's that working? You gotta come towards me. Not working. You're not making the line though. Yeah. Next time. It works better if you're not rubber tied down, but you know, that's just like you're in the universe, it's smart. I'm very cool, so that's what I do. John won't let me go through it out of the gate. He's like, hey, wait a minute, you can't do it out the gate. I'm gonna roll this thing, so watch this. Yeah, make the wire for you guys. Super wide, I get both of you douchebags. What is the wheelbase on a Capra?
Capra's 12.3, yeah.
12.3? I thought it was longer. I thought it was a 13-inch. That's what I thought. No, it's not, because the G-Shot links make a 13-inch.
I'm sure the links make it longer.
That one got thick.
Testing the roof, that's giant. What is this like that?
What it is surprisingly accurate. Like, really, it's surprisingly accurate.
Yeah. It's if you had the wrist too.
Oh, yeah.
See, Mike, we do like impossible stuff.
And back.
Yeah, we spent 1 hour for 3 hours.
Look at it.
That's what I'm see people say rock crawling is boring. Okay, if it's that boring, come out and do a line.
Am I touching that?
Yep.
Now I did.
Yeah, you're gonna flip. All right, let me try.
Ah, you're back, bro. Okay, I'm gonna go buy another hoodie because I can't.
Another hoodie?
Yeah.
Put your radio somewhere we can all stuff on it. Put it on the table.
Yeah.
Well, we're not gonna walk on the table, that's what I'm saying. Put it on the table. I think you hugged this thing. And you hung off of it last time, if I'm correct.
Yeah, that's what
My buddy goes, dude, I just got one with those serial numbers. He's like, I know you love it. I'm like, I don't. Tell me what I need to send you. He goes, really? Yeah.
No rear steer, you never. Oh, now do the other gate, go down it.
Yeah.
Yeah, see if we can get down from where you're at without going up to the top of the rock.
You're running ruptures, huh?
Yeah.
Turtles are excited now.
Yeah, I can't make that.
Working out.
It's too much of a, like if I try to jack up, let me see.
It's too steep.
Alright, so thank you.
He told it was working with redhead stepchild with love.
No, you're supposed to beat the red-headed stepchild like no one loves.
Be careful, some of them beat back.
Freaking slipping the more I try it.
You just get further away from it.
Fuck it.
Yeah, do it Dima style. Don't touch it, just drive around it.
I was just carrying. Oh, when your mother is mentally unstable, she loves you, but you know. But then
You're good. You're clear.
You need a wrist there, I guess, for that one. Alright, let's try this one again.
and it's even better because my dad
Yeah, it just slide down. That was high. I'm just gonna see if I can make it. No.
10 points in touch.
Ah! It goes so fast. It just goes so fast.
Why don't you put a snowsuit on, Dima?
And I literally see my dad reach over.